Hey guys, welcome back to Kamar Reaction for another live reaction video with me today. Hey guys, how you guys doing? So I know recently someone posted on my IG page asking me to react to a pretty much music video or song that they did. I will say it over and over again. Pretty much is one group that when I reacted to the video, you get blocked constantly. Like how I reacted to RBD, I would get blocked constantly. So it's like I've seen that when I react to majority of their live performances, they don't get blocked. So I'm trying to work a way around it because I've reacted to plenty of videos from pretty much they all got blocked. I'm just trying to find a way to go around it where I could repost those videos without it getting blocked. So I'm gonna try. So this is pretty much performing No More live at the Good Morning America. So I really do like this group. I like this whole group. I think they're very talented group. And I've said it over and over again. I would compare this group to CNCO and Now United. If this group would have came out when I was like in middle school or high school, it would be the One Direction. Like how One Direction was for my age group growing up, basically. You know, it would have been One Direction, 5 Seconds Summer. Take what you will. But let's go.
Now you know why the Screaming pretty much is here. Up and coming boy band created by none other than
Supreme.
Simon Cowell.
I remember Supreme.
Rolling Stone has named these guys.
Was it Supreme or Champion?
In 2018. How does that feel?
Well, I like a Supreme fit though. I like that.
It's crazy to be listening, for sure.
Why don't you introduce yourselves just so we can all get acquainted? Because these are faces you will get to know.
My name is Brandon. I'm Nick. I'm Zion.
Zion.
I'm Edwin. I'm here pretty much.
And those are fans. And you guys are all living together as you learn to hone your dancing and your singing skills. What's that like being together 24/7?
It's the best. It's like a sleepover every night. Every night. So,
oh, that sounds
yeah,
fun.
It's fun. It is fun.
Well, and it appears to be working. Are you guys ready to hear a little pretty much?
I'm ready.
Here they are with No More.
Let's get it.
Zion.
You know what it is when you hear that. Senorita, I ain't tryna play. Nah. I've been thinking you should get a taste. You gon' wanna put me on the case. Right away. Hey, they are tryna keep you on the block. On the block, yeah. I'ma take you Italy, no stops. You gon'
okay, Zion.
Right away.
Hey.
Don't be confused, girl, you ain't gonna be wasting time. Tell me what you want, cause I just can't wait no more.
Hey.
Tell me what you want, cause
I wanna wait no more. Hey.
I wanna be the one, but I just don't know if I can wait no more.
Hey.
Tell me what you want, cause I just can't wait no more.
Hey.
Tell me what you want, cause I just can't wait
no more. Hey.
I wanna be the one, but I just don't know if I can wait no more. No more. Senorita, where you wanna go? I can show you things you never know. Podemos escapar nosotros dos. Right away. Hey, I just wanna kiss you on the beach.
Who's that? Hey. Who's that? That sounds like Zion.
All he do is catch it and release. What you say? Hey, meet me on the roof. I'm feeling abuse. Hey, no, don't be confused.
Are those Chucks?
Ain't gonna be wasting time. Tell me what you want, cause I just can't wait no more.
Hey.
Tell me what you want, cause I just can't wait no more. I wanna be the one, but I just don't know if I can wait no more.
This must be like an older performance because I know the performance now, the performance-wise, has gotten so much better. Excuse me.
Snatch me from the block right away. We ain't thinking about tomorrow, one and now. Hello, mamacita. Your weekdays are the weekend. Same boss with the weekend. They call me Montana, fella.
Oh, this is one the music video I did react to. Which French Montana. I was like, ugh. I'm so sorry. No more. Yes, that was pretty much performing live at Good Morning America. No More Live. I did remember reacting to that music video because I remember French Montana verse coming on. I was like, oh, French Montana. That video got blocked. Oof. This group is like most of the stuff I reacted to pretty much just keep getting blocked. So hopefully they won't block this live performance. I really do like that group. And I think I really had a really good reaction that I did. If I can remember correctly, I had a really good reaction. I need to just find a way how to get them on. I might have to email YouTube and get it on copyright claims dispute or something to see what's gonna happen. But anywho, that was pretty much performing live their song No More Live at Good Morning America. I want to say thanks to the one who recommended me to react to this group. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section. And I will get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!